Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, I'll remove every kth node. Okay, solve the problem. You have a given a single linked list and which have n nodes, and your task is to remove every kth node from the linked list. Now understand this problem through an example. First, suppose this is an linked list. Okay, and first index 1 2 3, and inside this node are data, and this is index. Okay, 1 2 3 7. Now our task is to remove second node of linked list. Okay, and second nodes are 2 4 2 4 6. Okay, and after deletion it will be remove this and this node also, and after deletion this will like this 1 3 15 19, means index 1 2 3 4. Okay, this. Now this is a diagram, and our goal is to remove third node of the linked list, this third node. Now if we remove this third node, it will like this. If this node will go to in temp, and this node will directly go to node 4. Okay, so it will like this. And if we delete every second nodes, then it will remove this node and this node. Okay, now it will just go to this node to this node, and this will go to this node. Okay, you can see like this. Now how can solve this problem? We need to traverse the linked list while keeping track current node position at every kth position, and we'll remove the current node and adjust the links to skip it. And this process continues until we reach the end of linked list. This is important, until the end of linked list. And what is the time complexity of this problem? Time complexity will be O of n, and space complexity will be O of 1. Okay, now go to code. We create if k equals to 1, and then it will return none, and initialize pointer, current, head, and then previous pointer none, and it will count to 1. Now we traverse the list while current, if k is equal, if count k is equal, then if there is a previous node, then it update. If previous, then it will previous next to current next, or else will be head to current next, head to current next. Okay, now move the current next node, current next node. Okay, then it will be count 1. Hence, previous node to be count current and current to current next. It will be count 1 and it will return to head. Okay. Now compile. Yeah. Now submit. Solve today's problem. If you have any query, please comment us.